Hello, happy students. Today our topic is MySQL and it is SQL part 4. We have already discussed three parts of SQL in our previous classes. So, first question arises in my mind that what is SQL join or what is a join clause is used for. Basically, a join clause is used to combine rows from two or more tables based on a related columns between them. And there are different types of SQL join. First thing should be clear in our mind that a join is only possible when there is a common column between two tables, and a common column should have same data type in both tables also. Only after that two tables will be joined or more than two tables will be joined. And different types of SQL joins are inner join, left outer join, right outer join, and full outer join. Basically, we can say that these are categorized into two basic category: inner join and outer join. And outer join again categorized into three different categories: left outer join, right outer join, and full outer join. So let us take them one by one. Inner join returns record that have matching value in both tables, and left outer join returns all records from the left table, means first table, and the matched records from the right table, means second table. And right outer join returns all records from the right table and the matched record from the left table. It means just opposite to that of left outer join. And full outer join returns all records when there is a match in either left or right table. So we can say that it is a combination of left and right outer join. So these are the some type of join. Let us understand this with a proper diagram. This is a diagrammatically representation of different types of joins. First one is inner join. So the green area tells the result after joining these two tables. Table 1 and table 2 are two tables, and when we perform inner join operation, the green area reflect the join uh, table. And left join, again there is a diagram reflected left join. Second one is, and table 1 is left join, total covered by green area. Third one is right join, so reflect right outer join and reflected by green area. And fourth one is full outer join, covered both table by green area. So these are the basically inner or outer join. And again outer join, as far as the um, it's we can say that terminology is concerned, they work as their name suggests: left join, right join, and full outer join. Next is again irrespect of the fact that um, tables can be categorized into two different parts, joining can be categorized into two different parts, inner and outer. There are other category of joining. These are SQL equijoins, non-equijoins, natural join, and cross joins. So basically the question will be asked in your examination that what is the difference between inner join and outer join. So these two are asked in the combination inner and outer. And when you discuss about outer, then left, right, or full outer join will be discussed at that point of time. And sometimes the question will be asked about equijoin and non-equijoin. So differentiate between equijoin and non-equijoin. And natural join and cross join asked in examination in a separate manner, or we can say that a separate question contain what is define natural join. So as far as the differentiation is concerned, if you asked in examination define or differentiate between equijoin and non-equijoin, then these two topics will be cleared as far as their difference are concerned. And similarly in that case of inner join and outer join, but natural join and cross join at two different separate concept, and they will be asked in examination many times. And these are of course a very important topic. So let us consider them one by one. First one is SQL equijoin. Equal join, as the name suggests, equijoins, so you can remember it with a equal sign. So an equal sign is used to comparison operator as a comparison operator in the where clause to refer equality. So in this type of join, equal sign is used. That's why it is called the equijoin. And non-equijoin is just opposite to that of SQL equijoin, in which there is no equal sign and other comparison operator less than, greater than, less than, equal to, not equal to, greater than, equal to are considered. Natural join is basically a join of, and it is a type of equijoin in which columns of the same name is associated table will appears only once. When we perform a joining, then join operation using inner join, then a common column name appears two times. But in natural join it is not so, it appears only one time. And there is no need to mention a condition in natural join. That's why it is called a natural join. So there is no need to mention a condition for joining. So that's why it is called a natural join. And last one is cross join. It is basically a Cartesian product of two tables. So students which are very familiar with the concept of Cartesian product in mathematics, I think it is a part of function in class 12th or perhaps class 11th. They can easily understand the Cartesian product of two tables. When we perform Cartesian product of two tables, then rows will be multiplied and columns will be added. So when I discussed in our previous classes as far as degree and cardinality are concerned, we give a brief introduction of cross join or Cartesian product of two tables. So let them consider one by one in detail. First one is inner join. So the inner join keyword select records that have matching value in both tables, and that is the syntax of inner join. First write select keyword and then columns names. If you have to select all columns, then just write a star mark, a star sign, and then keyword from, and then take table name 1, and then keyword inner join. After that um, table 2 name, and after this we can write on, keyword on, and then table 1 dot column name and equal to table 2 dot column name. So that is the condition of joining. And table 1 and table 2 are two different tables, and we want to perform inner join, and both tables have one column name which is common to both the tables. So first one is write as a table name 1 dot column name, and second one can be, we can write table 2 dot column name and perform equal operator. And this inner join can be performed using equal operator. So we can write table 1 dot column name equal to table 2 dot column name. So that is inner join. Let us take an example. It is an example. Let us suppose that there are two tables, orders and customers, and both have a common column name, suppose customer ID. And if you want to perform inner join, then just write select and then name of first table, that is orders, and then its column name order ID, and then commas if we want to select second column name of second table, that is suppose customer name, then we can write customers dot customer name. Here one thing is important, that if we mention different columns names, then we have to specify uh, which we have to specify that these columns names related to which table. So always write table name first, after that dot sign, and after that column name. So this procedure is to write, perform that operation is orders dot order ID. It means table name dot column name, and then again table name dot column name, up to so on. uh, and in this manner we can select different columns name. And if you want to um, select all columns name, then just write asterisk mark or a star sign. So here we can use select orders dot order ID and customers dot customer name. Here one thing is very clear, that order ID is a column name of table orders and customers name is a column name of table customers. So just write orders dot order ID and dot customers dot customer name. After that keyword from, and then first table name which is of orders of course, and then keyword inner join. If you want to perform inner join, then name of second table which is customer in that case, and after that on. And after on, we can write the condition. Here condition is orders dot customer id is equal to customers dot customer id. And one thing you notice here is customer id is common to both tables, so just write orders dot customer id to customers dot customer id, where orders and customers are two different tables. um, First table is orders and second table is customer, and customer id is a common column name to both these tables. And one thing should also be remembered, that if there is a common column name, on behalf of that you can perform a SQL join, then that column name should have common data type also. If there is no common data type, then it will make an error. Suppose customer ID in that case perhaps may contain the integer type in both tables, or float type of in these two tables. If in first table it is of integer type and in second table it is of character type, then there will be a definitely error, and these two tables cannot be combined in that case. So one thing is very clear, that to perform inner join keyword is used with on keywords. And second thing is that there should be a condition, and condition contain a common column name which have common data type also. And then just write table name dot column name equal to table name dot second table name dot column name. So that is an example. I think it is clear to all of you. Let us consider another SQL join, and second one is left join. Only the difference between these two is that we use in this case only the uh, left keyword. In this case we use inner join. In first case we use inner join. Select from on keywords are as it is used in second case, but the keyword used is left join in place of inner join. So it perform left join. You can understand it with diagram mentioned earlier. So uh, rest thing are same for that. So the left join keywords returns all record from the left table. It means first table, which is as far as example is concerned is customers, and second table is orders. Let the let diagram we discuss diagram later on. Here we discuss syntax. So first just write select, then columns name, then after from, then table name, and then just write left join, then table name 2, and after that keyword on, then table name 1 dot column name is equal to table name 2 dot column name. And column name here given is common to both these two tables, table 1 and table 2. So the left join keyword returns all record from the left table and the matched record from the right table, table 2. The result is null from the right side if there is no match. So if there is no match, the result is null from the right side. And it is a diagrammatic representation of left join. Here two tables are customers and orders, so just write customer dot customer name, orders dot order id. These are the columns names. After after joining operation, these two columns will be reflected in the result. And then keyword from, then table name 1, which is customer in that case, then after left join, and then table name 2, orders in that, in orders is the table name 2 in this case. And after that on, and condition is customers dot customer id is equal to orders dot order customer id. So customer id is a common column name to both these two tables. And if we want to perform sorting, in this case means that want to perform descending or descending order, then we can use order by clause. So we have already discussed order by clause. If there is a requirement, then we can use order by clause. Otherwise, the as far as the concept is concerned of left join, um, it is similar to inner join, irrespective of the fact that there is a little bit difference between inner join and left join is that keyword left join is used and left portion is basically um, reflected in result. Second is right join. So the right join keyword returns all record from the right table, and it is, we can say that, just opposite to the left join, and the match record from the left table 1, the result is done from the left side when there is no match. So just write keyword right join, and rest thing are same as that of previous one. Let us take an example and show its diagrammatically representation. Select orders.order id, employees.last name, employees.first name. So here table name are orders and employees, and columns names are order id, last name, and first name. So employees table has two columns which are reflected after joining. These are last name and first name, and order id belongs to table order. And then write keyword from, and then table name 1, which is orders in this case, and then just write right join, and then table name 2, which is employees, and after that keyword on, and just write condition. A condition is orders dot employee id is equal to employees dot employee id, and here employee id is a common column name to both tables, orders as well as employees. And if you want to short the data, then just write order by clause. So this is right join. And to perform auto join, just write full auto join in place of right join. Rest thing are same as that of previous one. The full auto join keywords return all records when there is a match in left table or right table records. Let us consider it with an example. Select customers.customer name, orders.order id from customers, full auto join orders on customers, customer id is equal to orders.customer id, and order by customers.customer name. So here two tables are used, customers and orders, and which have column name, customer name, and order id respectively. Customers is the first table name, and orders is the second table name. And to perform join operation, first we write keyword select, then after column name, and to mention column name, first table name will be mentioned, after that dot sign, and then column name. So the syntax is customers table name dot column name, and here table name is since customer, so we write customers dot customer name comma orders dot order id from customers, and then full auto join orders on customers, and then uh, orders on customers dot customer id equal to orders dot customer id. So customer id is a common column to both these two tables. And if you want to short the data, just write order by clause. And this is inner and outer join. Next one is self join. A self join is a regular join, but the table is joined with itself. So when we want to join a table with itself, then we use self join. And the syntax is select column names from table 1 T1, table name 1 T2, where condition. Here table 1 T1 and T2, two names are given. So these are basically represent another name of table 1 and table 2. So table 1 is reflected by name T1 and table 2 is reflected by name T2. Next is EQ join. This is very important and asked so many number of times of examinations, CBSE examinations especially, that define EQ join or non-EQ join. As far as the concept is concerned, one thing should be remembered, that EQ join is related to equal operator. So it will be remembered to all of you that EQ join is related to equal operator. Then you can write in exam very less time, and can understand this term very easily. So EQ join related to equal operator. So SQL EQ join perform join against equality or matching columns, values of associated table. An equal sign is used as comparison operator in the where clause to refer equality. So this is very important point. In EQ join, equal sign is used. In EQ join, equal sign is used as far as the comparison is concerned. So you may also perform EQ join by join keyword followed by on keywords and then separate name of the column. So there are basically two syntax for this. Here we discuss only first syntax of this, which is very common. Just write select common list column list, which column we have to select, then after keyword from, then table name 1, then table name 2, and after that condition with where clause, and condition given with equal sign, that is very important. So condition is always mentioned with equal operator. If equal operator is not there, it is not categorized in equijoin. So equal operator must be there as far as equijoin is concerned. Let us consider it with an example. uh, First, differentiate. If you have to differentiate between an equijoin and non-equijoin, so the difference is that in non-equijoin, less than, greater than, less than, equal to, not equal to, other operator other than equal operator are used as far as comparison operators are concerned. So in equivalent only equal operator is used as far as the comparison operator is concerned, and in non-equivalent other comparison operator, less than, greater than, less than, equal to, greater than, equal to, are used. So rest thing are same as that of rest thing are same when we compare equivalent with non-equivalent. So this is the diagrammatic representation of non-equivalent. So this is table 1, and table 1 contain id and column name as two attributes, and table name 2 contain id and column name 2 as two attributes. Table 1 name is new 1, and table name 2 reflected with the table name reflected with a new 2. So when we write select asterisk mark and from new 1 comma new 2, and condition is a new 1 dot id between 5 and 6. So here we write between 5 and 6. Remember that there is no comparison operator at all. There is no equal operator in this case, and we write between. So we compare, but here we compare without equal sign. So this is a non-equijoin. So after that, non-equijoin operation is performed, and the result is reflected in that case, joining with all the rows of table new 2. So where condition are met, which is given in where clause, all rows are combined. Next one is natural join. SQL natural join is a type of equijoin. So it is a type of equijoin. One thing should be clear in your mind. And the structure is as well structured in such a way that columns with the same name of associated tables will appear only once only. So it is very important point. Two things are always remember as far as natural join is concerned. First one is there is no condition at all in natural join, and second thing is it is a type of equijoin. um, there are 3 points given here. First point is the associated table have one or more pairs of identical named column. It is a basic condition. Second one is the columns must be of same data type. It is again a necessary condition. And third one is don't use on clause on natural join. So on clause is not used with natural join. And syntax is select asterisk mark, then star from table 1 natural join table 2. So there is no condition at all. Neither a comparison operator nor any condition type of condition with where clause is used in natural join. So if you want to perform natural join, just write select, then star, then from table name 1 natural join table name 2, and both tables will be joined on behalf of some common column name of same data type. And last one is cross join. So cross join is basically reflect by Cartesian product of two tables. The SQL cross join produces a result set which is the number of rows in the first table multiplied by the number of rows in the second table. And if where clause is used along with cross join, if no where clause is used with cross join, this kind of result is called a Cartesian product. So just for perform Cartesian product, you can write cross join keyword. So just write select star from table 1 cross join table 2, and both these table Cartesian product of both these two tables will appear as a result on your screen. And that is the diagrammatic representation of Cartesian product of both these two tables. So we can say that cross join of both these tables. So records are multiplied in case of Cartesian product of two tables or cross join of two tables. Students, please perform all these types of join in MySQL. First of all, create two tables which have a common column, at least one common column, and then insert a data and insert data in two tables in such a manner that some data is a part of table 1 is not a part of table 2, and some data which is a part of table 2 is not a part of table 1, and some data is a part of both these two tables. And then just apply or write the syntax of different types of joining. You can see that the result is mentioned as the logic suggests that different types of joining is possible using different types of syntax available in MySQL, whether it is a natural join, equi-join, non-equi-join, inner join or outer join. So you can perform all these types of joining. So this is our last lecture as far as SQL is concerned, and as far as examination is concerned, question are asked related to table join. Uh, as far as constants are concerned, foreign key is a very important topic, and for SQL queries, alter table command, update table command, these are asked frequently, so many number of times in our examination. So focus on that topics. Thank you very much for watching this video.